Now, another important thing to understand is water to paint ratio. And this is a great way to learn water to paint ratio. You get a lot of practice. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my brush. And then I'm going to take my brush and pick up a tipful of my cool yellow pigment. So I'm going to place my cool yellow pigment in this little dish. And these dishes are super. You can get them at any art supply store. They're just watercolor dishes. You can also use a teacup saucer as long as it's white. And you can see, if I take a little bit more, that sometimes my paint is kind of hard to move. Right? I don't want that. I want it to be a juicier mix. So I'm going to pick up some more water. So if I pick up a little more water and add it, it becomes a juicier mix. Do you see how the paint flows around the plate better this way? That's what I'm looking for. That's water to paint ratio. That's good.